So in the last class, like, we have seen simple inbound process, like, unloading of the material for the inbound delivery, then goods receipt. So the moment we done the goods receipt, TPF got triggered and the same information updated in the S4 side. And finally, we have done the, configure the put away strategies, like, define put away control indicator, storage type search sequence, then assign storage type search sequence to, storage types, then finally specify storage type search sequence for put away. Okay. So system could able to, create the put away task and we confirm the put away task. So today I'm going to explain about the topic called handling unit management. Okay. So let me check what is the stock I have in my warehouse. So our warehouse is HTW. So how to check the stock? Go to stock and bin, this node, and click on available stock. Okay. So I put the blank one so that all the products of, that warehouse, it will show what is the available quantity. So currently I have 5445, only one stock with 100 quantity. Okay. So this is the one. Okay. So if you see here, this product is not HU managed. If you see here, I don't have any HU number associated to this product. Okay, I want to bring this material in the HUs, handling unit number. So first of all, what is HU? Can you go on mute? HU management. Okay, so first of all, what is HU? HU full form is handling unit. Handling unit. So first of all, what is handling unit? Handling unit is nothing but main material plus packaging material. Main material plus packaging material. Assume I have a product, I pack this particular material into one box, one carton, one pallet, one wire basket. Okay, so these all called, handling unit. Assume I have uh, assume like I have 10 mobile phones. Okay, I'm going to pack this mobile phone into 10 different boxes. Okay, and I have 10 books. I'm going to pack it in the box or carton. Okay, I have a toothpaste. Okay, I'm going to pack this toothpaste in a small box, carton or box. This is a small box. So this is one HO. So now the box which is having 10 mobiles, the outer box, big box which is having 10 mobiles is the one handling unit. Okay, one carton which is having 10 bucks. This carton, whole carton, we are going to call as a HU handling unit. So it is going to have an unique number. So assume I want to send this 10 books to, some storage type and section and bin. So it is going to move through the handling unit. So this carton is going to have a unique number. Okay. And I have a toothpaste which is packed in a small box. Okay. So that is I'm going to move in the warehouse in the nested HO. Okay. Now we are going to see these are the terminologies. HU means you understood main material plus packaging material, then empty HU, then nested HU. HU means main material plus packaging material. Empty HU means main material is packed in a box. I had taken out that main material. So the only empty box is there. So that empty box is nothing but empty HU. Empty HU means without having product. If any HU exists, that we call as a empty HU. The nested HU means HU is in HU. One HU is packed in another HU. Okay. Assume I have a toothpaste that is packed in a small box. Like that, 25, you know, small boxes, I'm going to pack it in a big box. Okay, 25 small boxes packed in big box. Okay, so this is like nested HU. That big box we call as a nested HU because the small HUs are packed in another HU. So HU in HU we call as a nested HU. Means layers are there. Okay, so let's see in the real time examples. Okay, so some of the boxes I'm going to put it in a pallet. This is a HU. This pallet is a HU. Okay, on the pallet I'm going to pack. Sometimes in the box I'm going to pack some material. This is also one HU. Okay, sometimes I'm going to pack in container. This container also one type of HU. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, I am packing the material into some packaging material. It could be box, bag also assume 25 kgs of the rice I'm going to pack in a bag. So that bag is also one HU. Okay, I'm going to pack the cement in the bag. That is 25 kgs of bag is a one HU. Okay, so these are the HUs now. So in this box we are going to have the material. Sometimes these boxes I'm going to put it in a pallet. The pallet also one type of HU. Okay, so what is the configurations are required for the HU management? Is it only work this HU management work in only EWM? My answer is no. This HU management we can work in logistics all modules like MM side we can use, EWM side, SD side, supply chain networking side, transportation management side. Okay, in all modules we are going to use the handling unit management. So the main configurations are in two sides, an S4 side, EWM side. Okay, so how to do that? Let's see. HU management. So as I said, you like S4 side we have to do and EWM side we have to. First we'll see S4 side. So why we have to do S4 side and EWM side? Sometimes we are going to receive the material like pre-packaged material. Means the HU information, what type of the box are there in each boxes, how much quantity is there, what is the product, that all information vendor is going to send. So he is going to pack, he is going to send the information through ASN. So that ASN through ASN, our system is going to create the inbound delivery. Means this is pre-packaged material. Pre-packed material we are going to receive the information from the vendor. So this particular HU is going to create in the S4 side. So once it is created, it will flow to EW. This is one case. Second case, vendor he don't pack anything. Simply he send the material to our warehouse. In the warehouse, I am going to pack. This is the second scenario. So two scenarios are there. For the purpose, we have to define the configurations in both sides. Okay. First step is define packaging material types. So go to SPRO or reference IMG. So you have to go to logistics general because S4 side I told you, right? So logistics general. In the logistics general, go to handling unit management, HU management, go to basics. Okay. So first of all, define packaging material types. What is packaging material types? I have like all pallets. I'm going to put it in one packaging material type. Containers are one type. Okay. Ships are one types. Okay. Like that. All boxes are one category. Small box, big box, medium box, wide box. Like that, I have different flavors, but all boxes I'm going to create as one packaging material. All pallets, 2 meter height pallet, 3 meter, 4 meter, Euro pallet, industrial pallet, different size of all pallets I'm going to categorize into one packaging material type. So like that, assume I have only one packaging material type, okay, in my warehouse. So I'm going to create. So click on new entries. So I'm going to create HPMT like this. I'll create. Okay, HD EW, right? So HPMT is my packaging material type. HDEW packaging material type. So you can create multiple, like you can take one as for cartons, one for pallets, like that you can take. But I'm going to, instead of making you confused, I'll take only one packaging material type. Output determination procedure not required. Output type is not required. Sort also not required. Plant determination. So when we are going to take this packaging material, the plant is enter manually in the handling unit. Okay, so leave it there. Now packaging material category. So this particular packaging material, is it means of transport or transport equipment or packaging material or auxiliary material? First of all, what is means of transport? So assume like I'm going to pack it in a rail bogies. Okay, so that compartments also one type of packaging material type only. Okay, that is means of transport. I can use for rail or I can use for sea, road. Okay, like that. So B is transport equipment. Again on road, I may have trailer, I may have container. Okay, I may have wagons, I may have tippers like that. Okay. So C means packaging material like boxes, cartons, pallets are all comes under packaging material. D auxiliary packaging material. What is auxiliary packaging material? Like suppose when I'm going to pack one material, I'm going to use bubble wraps. Okay. I'm going to use shrink wraps. I'm going to use some, covers. Okay. So that is auxiliary packaging. This is not, main packaging materials. These are the auxiliary packaging. So this HDW pack material type, I'm going to take it as like, packaging materials. So means cartons, boxes, pallets like that. Okay. The next number assignment. So here numbers, whatever I said, HU is going to have a unique number. So we are going to identify that HU with the number. So that HU can be identified by a SSCC 18. This is a standard SSCC number Europe countries are going to maintain. So all European countries, they will use SSCC. SSCC full form is Serialized Shipping Container Code. Serialized Shipping Container Code. This is going to be 18 digits. So mainly like all the European countries, all the warehouses, they are going to use SSCC 18 number. Through the GS1, they are going to create this SSCC numbers. So through that SSCC number, they are going to track. The next one is number range interval HU underscore VKB. This is by the system. So if I give the number ranges, system is going to create the particular HU number through that number ranges. So I'll take B, number range interval HU underscore VU type. So this is for what handling unit type. Is it for cartons, pallets, or containers? So as of now, I'm going for everything. I'm going to take this HPMT. So that's the reason I'll put blank. Now, if I'm going to create the any handling unit with packaging material type HPMT. So what are the internal number ranges? What are the external number ranges? Okay, so internal means system is going to create from this internal number. External means somebody is sending, like vendor is sending, so that we are going to accept from our system. That is external. So let's take one internal number n is one external number n is. Okay, now go to SPRO or reference IMG, Elastic General, handling unit management, external identification. Here, number and maintenance for HO identification. So just I open one more tab to fill here. I have opened one more tab. Okay. Now click on the intervals. I already have these many intervals I have. Okay. So if you want to create your own number NS, you can create. Okay. So I don't want to take the new one because it is going to be, uh, come under the other number NS. Okay. It is going to be overlap. Okay. So I will take the standard at 01 and 02. 01 is the internal and 02 is the external. Okay. 01 is the internal, 02 is the external. External here we have the tick box. We can create our own, but carefully we have to see it should not be overlap. Okay, so since we have already standard 01 and 02, this is the one I'm going to take. 01 is for starts with I think 10000007999. This is the current number. Okay, and 02 is 8 series one. This is the external one. So internal 01, external 02. So the same thing I'm going to mention over here, 01 and 02. So packaging material is HPMT. Internal number NS are 01 and external number NS 02. And here packaging material category, packaging materials. Packaging material category is materials. Okay. Okay. So number assignment interval H underscore. Okay. So this is the first step. Then after the first step, then define packaging material groups. So packaging material types we have created. Okay. So like pallet, carton, like that assume we have created. So again, in one group, assume all wooden related, packaging materials should be come under one packaging material group. Like wooden is nothing but one pallets are there. Okay. And some boxes are there, wooden boxes, that all comes under one. Okay, plastic related also I'm going to create as one packaging material group. Okay, so all wire baskets, crates. Okay, that is the thing. and sometimes I'm going to use like carton related, paper related. Okay, cartons, boxes, or some papers, carry bags, paper carry bags, like that. All that I'm going to create one group. So it is like based upon the material attributes, we are going to create one packaging material groups. So since I have only created one packaging material type, so I'll create only one packaging material group. So that I'll create as packaging material group HPMG, like this I'll create. So here once this is done, just save it. Identification from number in is only unique for each client. That's fine. Enter. Already HPMT is there. HTMT, is it okay? HDMT, yeah. So just I created HDMT, okay? HDMT. Now let's see this one also, HDMG. So just save it, come back. Now define material group for packaging materials, okay? Click on new entries, HDMG. So this is HDEW packaging material group. Enter, save it. Next, third one, define allowed packaging materials. Define packaging material. Define allowed packaging materials. So here basically what I'm doing, I am assigning this packaging material groups to packaging material types. HDMG I'm assigning to HDMT, okay? So click on new entry. So HDMG is HDMT, okay? Just save it. Okay, so this is done. So HDMG is assigned to HDMT. So next one is, so already we have defined the number NS, so that is not required, but okay, this is already there, right? So I'm not writing over that. Next, after this, go to external identification only. Here, define number assignment for each packaging material types. Define number assignment. Define number assignment for each packaging material types, okay? So it will be already there, just you have to check, that's it, okay? So HDMT we have created, okay? So take this HDMT, so just check. Yes, internal number is as 01, that's right. External is 02, that is also right. The number assignment is like, B. What is B here? HU underscore VKP, that's fine. Is it for any specific HU type? No. I want to, use it for all the HU types, okay? So just leave it blank. That's it. So S4 side, our configurations has been done. Now, EWM side. EWM side. So whatever the packaging material type we have created in S4 side, the same thing we have to create in the EWM side. So this is the config number 5. Define packaging material types. Okay, so to do that, go to close this logistic general, go to SCM extended warehouse management, go to extended warehouse management, go to cross process settings. Here you have handling units. Okay, go to basics, define packaging material types. Okay, with the same name, I'm going to create new entries. So HDMT created in the S4 side, the same thing I'm going to take. This is like, uh, HDEW packaging material type. Okay, and the packaging material category, there we have seen 4. So the transport equipment and means of transport were A and B, but here all things are in the same. In the EWM side, means of transport, transport equipment, TU all comes under A, and this is packaging material, this is auxiliary. So we have to take packaging materials. So tear weight variants, closed packaging. So these are not required as of now. So here, if you see number assignment, I'm going to go with the number range interval B. Okay, just enter and save it. So here also we have created HDMT. The next, so do we require to define the packaging material groups? No. In S4, whatever we create, that will be appear in EWM. Okay, if you go here, define pack groups or products, this is already there. So this node is not in a executable mode now. Okay, this comes from the S4. Now, next one, maintain allowed packaging material types for groups. So this assignment, packaging material group to packaging material types assignment is here. So maintain packaging material groups to packaging material types. Okay, so new entries. So HDMG is going to assign to HDMT. Okay, so if you want to go with the specific unit of measurement, that you can go. Okay, but as of now, I'm going to use for this for units like inches, cartons, pallets, everything. So I'll put blank, enter, and save it. Okay, so this is also done. HDMG is assigned to HDMT. Now, so where is the assignment? Assignment also should be there, right? So go to external identification. Now, whatever the identification in the S4 side. So what is the internal 01 and external 02? But once you come to EWM side, the internal of S4 would be external. The external of S4 would be internal. This is opposite you have to assign. This is the very, very important thing. This is the interview question also. Okay. So S4 internal number ranges of HU is external in EWM. Okay. S4 external number ranges of HU is internal in EWM. Okay, so in the handling unit, basics completed. So go to external identification, define number ranges of HO identification. Define number ranges of HU identification. So this is like in a warehouse specific HDEW. Click on intervals. We don't have any intervals. Okay. Click on edit mode. So I'm going to S4 once again. This is the S4 one. So here 01. So whatever it is there, just you have to copy. To copy, click on Control plus Y. Control plus Y. Take this 01 up to here. Okay. Then Control C for copy. Then Control V for paste over here. So now if you see here, this is internal. Okay. In S4 side, it's internal. But then what happened in the EWM side, it should be external. So if you see in S4 side, 01 is internal, then EWM side, the 01 is external. Now enter. Now click on plus to insert one more line. I'm going to take 02, Control Y, copy till here, Control C to copy, Control V for paste over here. Don't take this external. In S4 02 is external. In EWM 02 is internal. Okay. Save it. Okay, so just to save it. Now this number and assignment should be we have to give. Okay. So here assign number and intervals to packaging material types. So here what happened here? 01 is external. 02 is internal. It's a quite opposite to S4. Okay. Now next step is assign number and intervals to packaging material types. Assign packaging, assign number ranges. Okay. So here click on new entries. HDEW packaging material type is HDMT. Okay. So here internal. So what is the internal here? 02 is my internal. Okay. So I have to input 02. Enter and save it. Okay. Let's save it. So now all the configurations are completed. Okay. Now this is the handling unit related. One more thing we have to create, that is HU types. Define HU types. So what is HU types? Okay. So assume I have a packaging material called the boxes, cartons. Okay. So that I'm going to put it as a one HU type. Okay. Pallets are one HU type. Okay. Or else I have a 1 meter length one pallet, 2 meter length pallet, 3 meter length pallet. So the all are pallets only. But how I'm going to differentiate? I'm going to differentiate with HU types. So number of strips for 1 meter, it could be 3. Number of strips for the 2 meter pallet is 4, 5. So the strips are increasing. So based upon that, I am going to create the HU types. So to make it simple, I will create only 3 HU types. One is for boxes I'll create. For pallets I'll create. For cartons I'll create. Okay, these 3 type of the HU types I'll create. So HDBX is a box HU type I'll create. HDPL for pallet. For carton HDCR, like this I'll create. Okay, so how to create this HU types? So this HU types we are going to create in the S4 side, not in EWM. Okay, so go to integration with other SAP components. Okay, in this, go to extended warehouse management, additional material attributes, then attribute values for additional material master fields, then define handling unit types, HU type. Okay, click on new entries, HDBX. This is for HDW box HU types. Then HDPL. This is for HDW palette HU types. So in the palette itself, we can have multiple HU types. PL1, PL2, PL3, like that, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter width, like that we can mention. So I don't want to make lot of things together in a single thing to make you confusion. I'll go with straightforward. One box, one pallet, one carton. Okay. HT CR. This is for HDW carton HU types. Enter. Save it. So HDBX, HDPL, HDCR. These are the 3 HU types. So our handling unit types related to the configuration is completed, and we have defined the HU types also. Now it's time for the testing. Okay, so before testing, we have to create one packaging material. Okay, so I said HU is nothing but one main material plus packaging material. So we have to create one packaging material, right? So packaging material. So how to create the packaging material? Same in MM01 only, but we have to select the material type as verb. Okay, so I'll take mechanical engineering VERP verb. This is for the packaging material. For the raw material, what we have used? ROH. Okay, for the packaging material VERP. Okay, enter. So here, basic data 1, basic data 2, as well as you have to make sure WM execution, WM packaging should be there. These are the 2 mandatory tabs. Okay. Input, what is the plant? HDBP, right? HDBP. Store location is ROD. Okay, sales organization is HD. S4 distribution channel 01. This is not required. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll create with internal number in this. So let me go to min01 HD box 1. Okay. So this is like with external number and I'm creating HD box 1. Okay, enter. HD box 1. This is a HDEW box packaging material. Okay. So this is EHS 01. And if you go down, packaging material group, what is the packaging material group? You have got HTMG. So this is the one we have to assign. So for the normal material, for the raw material, we haven't assigned this. We have to assign over here. Okay. Enter, enter. Sales organization data 1. You give the tax as 0. Enter. Okay. See, if you see your sales organization 2, VRP, these are the things we'll get. Okay. Enter. In sales general plant, okay, availability check, why it is 02, 01 I'll take. So HDMG, and packaging material type is HDMT. So here you have to assign 2. You have to make sure that you have the packaging material group and make packaging material type. Okay, that's fine. Enter, enter. In accounting 13050 with some value 1 rupee. So here the WM execution, please pay attention. In WM execution, standard HU type. So just now we have created an HU type. So this is for box. So HDBX. This is the HU type. Enter. In WM packaging also, handling in a type HDBX I'm going to take. Enter. Save it. So packaging material HD box 1 is the packaging material I have created. So tomorrow I'll show you the two scenarios. One is how to pack in S4 side, how to pack in the warehouse EWM side. Okay. So this is my packaging material. Any questions, any doubts? Okay. So tomorrow we'll go for the testing. Thank you guys.